This is a video of the car running without that buzzing noise that was heard in the previous videos. I did some searching online and there's a little climate control sensor down there, and sometimes that causes that buzzing. So I took the panel off and I cleaned out the little fan on it and put it back in there, and now the buzzing is